Hey folks, Clay Millican here, driver of the WireCare'd Racing Top Fuel Dragster, and of course, driver of Dentley. I'm here to tell you folks about my 5 favorites from WireCare'd. If you don't know WireCare'd, you need to check them out because when it comes to wiring, they're the folks you need to go see. Some of my favorites, pretty simple. So let me tell you about some of my favorites. Dentley is full of them. They have got all kinds of stuff that I love. Braided shielding, some like we got right here. They've got it in all kinds of different flavors. Extreme temp, heavy duty, metal shielded, you name it, they got it. Some of their heat shrink also used on Dentley. You will see there is just stuff everywhere. Dentley is absolutely WireCare'd out. It has got it everywhere, from big heavy duty cables, more heat shrink there, eyelets, you name it, WireCare'd's got it. Dentley is 100% WireCare'd. One of the other items Dentley's got that is really cool, straight from WireCare'd, you will see right there, those are circular Zoich connectors so that we can just unplug those two. Pull the engine right out of Dentley. That is another WireCare'd item that we got. The whole Zoich kits that are available from WireCare'd are awesome. Something that you certainly need at your shop for no matter what you're working on. The Zoiches are cool. That is what we've got on our injectors right there. All those things are there. So long story short, that may be more than 5 favorite things, or as I think I'm supposed to say, 5 faves, but I feel like I'm too old to say faves. But at any rate, WireCare'd, they got you covered when it comes to wiring, whether it's for your hot rod or your top fuel car. Check out WireCare'd because they got it all.